What a satisfying snapping sound. Hey everyone, it's Shaun here back with another vlog. I am very excited today because this is not only just a vlog, this is something new that I'm going to do. This is my very first unboxing video. Alright, we're gonna unbox something today. I am not a tech YouTuber, but this is gonna be my first time unboxing a tech related product in front of the camera. So this is gonna be very interesting. And this is what I have for you guys today. This is the Taylor's DuckiePi. So what is so unique about the Taylor's DuckiePi over here? Well, first of all, it is a collaboration between Taylor's students and the Taylor's Miracle Maker space. And not only that, but the purpose of this device right here is to bridge the children's e-learning needs in the B40 community, which if you ask me is pretty cool. So I don't know if you guys know this, but the Taylor's DuckiePi, this thing over here, is actually out for commercialization right now. You can get a DuckiePi for yourself if you want it. And here's some good news, okay? If you buy the DuckiePi, a separate Taylor's DuckiePi will be donated to a B40 family. Isn't that amazing? And to top it all off, I just want to let you guys know that currently over 80 Taylor's DuckiePis have been donated to students in need, and they'll be able to continue doing this with your help. So what are you waiting for? Get one for yourself, okay? The first thing I want to point out is I love the design of this box. Oh wow, okay, so first thing I want to point out is, oh, actually, there's a card. And you want me to read it to you? I'll read it to you. Thank you. Your purchase means a lot for us to continuously support someone in need of an e-learning device. Beautiful. That's exactly what I want to hear. Thank you so much. And I want to say one thing, okay, before we actually like open boxes. Can you see this right here? Okay, everything is like clearly labeled. So that's like the first thing I noticed. As someone who isn't really that techie, I don't really consider myself as a techie person. I can fully understand what I'm getting in the box. So you can see like they've labeled everything: fan, casing, motherboard, and even in these individual boxes, right? Yeah, it's pretty simple and straightforward. Okay, and another thing that I realized on this box is a QR code. Yeah, can you guys see this? There's a little mini QR code over here. Look at that. It's a small QR code. And okay, so apparently, if you scan the QR code, you will be led to an instructional video. So by watching that, you can know how to assemble this DuckiePi. So let's go and assemble this DuckiePi right now. Okay, so let's open all of these. So I'm gonna open the casing first. Opening the casing. Okay, so this is the casing. Comes in a little plastic bag like that. All right, very cute, very nice. Okay. And oh, there's still one more over here. You see, there's a Taylor's logo over there. Hey, how nice is that, huh? So this is the motherboard. Let's open it. This is the motherboard of your Taylor's DuckiePi. All right, so there we go. That's the fan. Okay, there we go. This is how the fan looks like. Okay, I can't wait to get my hands dirty and build it myself. So let's build this thing. So as you can see right here, I am using the Allen key to tighten the screws. So I'm gonna use, this is what the pliers are for, guys. Okay, I'm gonna use the pliers to tighten it. I am screwing the fan onto the casing. And there we go. Alright, okay, that looks done. And so basically, we have this a Taylor's DuckiePi without the 4 walls on the side. So that's, I'm gonna put the 4 walls on it right now. Okay, I'm gonna assemble this one. There we go. Okay, there we go. There we go. Alright, one more wall to go. And we're done. What a satisfying snapping sound. Alright, so we have completed the assembly of the Taylor's DuckiePi, and right now you can see there's a monitor and a few other stuff over here. We are going to put this thing to the test. So we're going to plug in a few things. The first thing is the power supply. We're going to plug this USB-C cable to the Taylor's DuckiePi. We're going to plug it right over here, and this is basically the main power source for the Taylor's DuckiePi, and it is in already. Okay, so the next thing we're going to plug into this is we're going to plug in this micro HDMI cable to the Taylor's DuckiePi, and this goes over here. There we go. Alright, nice and snug. Perfect. And I just want to let you guys know that there's 4 USB ports over here, and okay, this USB goes in here. This is for the mouse, this one is for the keyboard, alright? So this goes over here. And there's two extra USB ports, okay, that I'm not using today, but if you want to use them, you can actually plug in external stuff like your microphone or webcam, you know, if you want to have online classes. So that's pretty convenient, right? There's two extra USB ports over here, so you can use them, alright? And right now, once everything is plugged in, I can turn on the power supply and we can put this thing to the test. And before that, I'm going to, let's push the mic a little bit over here so that you guys can have a clear view of the monitor. Okay, so the first thing you'll notice when you turn on the power supply is there's two lights over here. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a little green light and a little red light over here. That means it's on. And another thing that will tell you that it's on is there's the fan will start spinning. Alright, so I just turned on the monitor and hey, it's on. Okay, so that means it's working. Okay, so if I move my mouse, see, I don't know if you guys can see this, but the mouse is moving. See, everything is connected to the Taylor's DuckiePi and it links to the monitor and everything works. Everything works. See, the keyboard. Oh, the keyboard works. See, the keyboard works. Let's do a couple of simple stuff over here. Okay, let's turn on Google. Okay, Google is on. It's loading. And while we wait for this, I just want to say that this thing, it's connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay, so don't worry, you can have your online classes. You can do a little bit of work over here. And hey, we're in Gmail. Yeah, see, we're in Gmail. Okay, let's open a new tab and let's go to Google. Okay, let's go to Google. Google.com. If you want to search some stuff, you know, do a little bit of Googling. And alright, let's give it a few seconds. Hey, yeah, see? So now that we have email and Google open, what else do you guys want to do? Let's watch some videos, okay? Let's go to YouTube, alright? So let's go to YouTube, youtube.com. Okay, and since we're already on YouTube, let's search for some stuff, okay? Let's search for, since we're already on this topic, let's search for Taylor's, I spelled Taylor's wrong, I can't believe I spelled Taylor's wrong. Taylor's University, DuckiePi. DuckiePi. Okay. It's loading. Hey, see? Taylor's DuckiePi. And the video appeared. And yeah, you can basically watch YouTube videos in this thing. It's pretty cool. So if you purchase the Taylor's DuckiePi, right? Like, and don't forget, if you purchase the Taylor's DuckiePi, you're not only buying one for yourself, you're also donating another DuckiePi, a Taylor's DuckiePi, to a B40 family. So keep that in mind, right? This is the second time I'm saying this, right? And if you purchase one for yourself, you not only get to do personal stuff, you know, like your work, okay? If you have like a child who is like studying, he or she can use it for studies as well, to Zoom calls, you know, attend classes online. And if you use a lot of like Google apps like Google Docs, Google Slides, you know, Google whatever, anything that's in Google, okay, you can do it over here, right? This thing is capable for all of your personal and work needs. So I'm sure that many of you are very curious, very interested about the Taylor's DuckiePi after watching this review. So if you're interested to find out more about this little but powerful device, you can go to the Taylor's Duckie website to find out more information about this thing over here. Or, you know, if you don't want to Google it, if you're watching this on YouTube, just go to the description. The link will be down over there. Alright, just click the link in the description and it will lead you to the Taylor's Duckie website and you can find out more information about the Taylor's DuckiePi over there. Alright, so yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and you know, thank you Taylor's DuckiePi, the team, you know, for letting me be a part of this. I really enjoyed myself and I learned a lot of things over here. So thanks for watching, and yeah, take care, stay safe, get vaccinated, and stay sanitized. Okay, take care guys, catch you on the next one.